Hi, my name is Jackie and I manage the marketing campaigns and ABM teams here at GitLab. And in this video, I'll go over how to use the Highspot to Gmail connection so that you can send email pitches and view activity on the other end directly inside of your Gmail. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll need to download the Highspot for Gmail Chrome extension. So go ahead and download that. And then from there, everything takes place right inside of your inbox. So click Compose. Again, once you have the extension, you'll then see this little icon for Highspot. When you click that icon, it'll bring up basically a view of Highspot pitch template, and you'll choose your pitch template. In this case, I'm going to go with the 25% discount for the Commit New York event. And because I have the Highspot to Salesforce integration already enabled on my account, I'm going to choose the CRM record by looking up the email address. In this case, I'm just going to use a test lead of my own. And from here, you'll be able to look at the email that you'd be sending, adjust it however you'd like. You can even preview the email. Personally, I don't like the icon here, so I'm going to remove the thumbnail, but you can take a look at all these advanced content setting options for your email. Put in notes if you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and insert the pitch. You'll then see it populates into my Gmail email that I'm about to send. And again, you need to add in that email address exactly as you had it before. So that this sends to the same person and it all connects right back to the Salesforce record. Again, when you send this, it will create an activity in the Salesforce leader contact history so that everybody has visibility into the sends and you can align with customer success and sales development more seamlessly. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. So that will go to the inbox and the recipient send. What I then can see as the person sending the email with this integration for Gmail to Highspot is a little logo that shows Highspot. When I click that, you'll see a little expansion that shows when it was sent, who it was created by, the last view, download, and duration of the views. And again, you can see who it's sent to and the Salesforce record. So right from here, I can directly go into the Salesforce record, easy peasy. And you'll be able to see the activity that I just generated by sending this email. You'll also see the email sent and when they open and when they click the download link on the Highspot on the email that you sent, all the activity is going to track right here, right where you can see it inside of Gmail through the Highspot extension. So again, makes this way more productive. You can work right inside of Gmail and you have all the content and templates right at your fingertips. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy to help however I can. Thanks so much.